Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about the next part of reflection. So there is one application here. What is application? Just try to understand here. I am going to consider two plane mirrors. These two plane mirrors are placed in such a way that when there is any torch over here or any laser light, the light comes from this, falls at the edge of the plane mirror A as well as B. There are two plane mirrors. So when light ray comes from one side of a torch, it takes reflections here. And if you observe, there are multiple reflections here. And it is given that the length of the plane mirror is 2 root 3. Then the question is, find the maximum number of times ray undergoes reflection, including the first one. That means this is the first one. So this is considered to be first reflection, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth and so on. It is going to continue like that only. So it's a very long mirror, but I have drawn a very short one here because there is no space to explain that. So try to understand here. Our question is, there are two plane mirrors. Light ray comes and strikes the mirror. It takes one reflection. Once the light ray takes one reflection, the light ray moves a distance x. For second reflection also, it moves distance x. For third reflection also, it moves distance x again. So for every reflection, the light ray moves distance x towards left. That is the clue to solve the problem here. So light ray comes from the laser light, it takes first reflection, moves distance x, takes second reflection, moves distance x, take the third reflection, again moves distance x and so on. This reflections continues like that only. So now our aim is how many reflections it is going to take place before it comes out. Okay, so therefore let us see what happens. What are you going to do now? So it's a very simple formula, super simple formula. Number of reflections. If you want to find out, what you need to do is just you have to take the total length of the mirror, and the total length of the mirror is given as L root 3, and divide this L root 3 with the part of the mirror which is taken as x, and this part starts from the edge to the reflection point here. Okay, so just try to understand. If you want to find out the number of reflections, it's very simple. If you find out how much distance x moved and how many times it is going to move. So first x, second x, third x, fourth x and so on. So every reflection makes x distance forward. That's the concept here. So it's very simple here. First we need to find out x here. For that, it's very simple. By taking trigonometric tangent, that is tan 30 if you consider, it is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is x. Adjacent side is considered to be 0.2 meters according to the problem given over here. So therefore, x is equal to 0.2 tan 30. And this is x is equal to 0.2 tan 30 is going to be 1 by root 3. So we got the value of x here. It's very super simple here. Just substitute this value over here and get the answer. It's very simple. So therefore, n is equal to L. And according to the problem, L is equal to 2 root 3. X is equal to 0.2 by root 3. Therefore, number of reflections it is going to take place is 2 by 0.2 into root 3 into root 3. Okay. So it is 2 by 0.2 into root 3 into root 3. Therefore, n is equal to, you can write this as 20 by 2 and root 3 into root 3 you can write it as 3. So this is 2 ones to 10 times, therefore n is equal to 30 reflections. That's it. It's a very simple problem.